How to get up to $25 coupon codes for AliExpress. Hey guys, and let's get started. First of all, open any of your preferred browser and go to the website allitimes.com/coupon-codes. From the coupon menu, now choose on AliExpress promo codes and coupons. Here you will get updated coupons with exclusive discounts of to $25. So tap on view coupon and then you'll be directed to another page from where you can get the promo code. Just copy it and while trying to check out, you can redeem the code. Or you can directly click on visit AliExpress, which will take you to its official website. Now you can simply add the items to the cart and check out. But while checking out, make sure to paste the coupon code that you had copied before. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.